right, I just got 2 new yoga mat covers. They call them yoga towels. And I try to work out almost every morning with calisthenics, and I do some yoga, so I'm happy to have these 2 new yoga towels to make working on a mat a little more pleasant. Alright, these are yoga towel mat covers from SKYSPER, and they measure 185 centimeters by 63 centimeters, which is about 73 to 25 inches. They are designed to be non-slip and ultra absorbent. They are a very soft microfiber and feel very good against your skin. They are washable and dry quickly. They are called yoga towels because they work great not only for yoga, but also Pilates, calisthenics, any kind of exercise that you need to use a mat. So I'll lay it out and show what it looks like here. So you just lay it out like that on top of your mat. You can see it has the non-skid on the bottom so that it gives you traction there, but very soft and comfortable on the top. I do have 2 of their different, they have lots of different colors and designs. I just have 2 of them. I'm not sure which one is my favorite. They're both very pretty. I like them a lot. Very nice. And they're nice and long, so you can put them on a longer mat. They do come with a handy pouch for easy transport. You can simply really easily roll them up, put them in there, ready to go to class, wherever you want to have them. They are great to use at home, which is where I exercise, but also great if you go to the gym. That way you can have your own mat and that you can take home and wash, and it is more safe and sterile that way. But you can, you know, lay it on top of their mats for some extra padding. I really like these, that it's light, they're, you know, non-skid, easy to transport, and very pretty colors. They do have several other colors available. These are very easy to fold up. Makes it very easy for transport. Isn't this a handy carrying case? Let me give you a closer look. Handy and also soft, just like the mats. And a nice little drawstring there. I think this is so much better than having just a boring solid color mat. These are very fun, vibrant, bright designs. Since these mat towels are washable, it does help prevent bacterial growth. They can be machine washed in cold water and then you just hang them to dry. Aside from all the practical considerations, they're very beautiful and come a variety of designs and colors. You know, these are only 2 of what is available. I'm currently working out at home, but if I take classes at the gym, then they'd be great for taking along so that you could be using your own mat and feel a little safer than, you know, you don't know who's been on the mats there. They are very soft microfiber and feel very good against your skin. Please check the description section below for more information and links of where you can purchase these yoga towels. They are sold in many online Amazon stores worldwide. Please subscribe to our channel and we appreciate your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.